Hey.
We already got a new puppy for this shit.
Hey.
The baby over there.
Hold on. We got it for how much?
For free.
Let's take a little look at this bad boy. Ooh. Bro, you sure shit runs? Because this shit was dry as hell in there.
It's dry. Alright, because it was in a detail shop, bro. That shit's fucking...
Just saying.
How was my K series? It was worse.
I don't remember your K series being dry. Nigga, look at this.
It spins. You can spin it.
Have you even opened the fucking, took off the valve cover before?
I'm about to right now.
Look at the dry as fuck.
Throw some oil in it.
The fucking, what's it called? All we need is the mounts, a new fucking intake manifold.
Yeah.
We could use the harness from the stock fucking, from the Civic already. What else do we need so we can make it run?
The transmission.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
So all we need is this. I'm pretty sure we could find one of these on fucking OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. And a transmission too. And we were about to keep the D series. That's God coming in clutch, right? Oh, it's not bad.
I told you.
I'm surprised because I was touching this.
It's just clean as hell.
I was touching this. Damn.
You want me to spin the motor?
Spin that shit. How you know it's clean? You opened it before?
No.
Then how the hell you know it's clean?
Because I know what a Billy motor looks like.
This is a Yancey's motor, right?
And like when I got my K24, I let this motor look like.
Looking hurt. Huh, looking hurt.
Slugged,
bruh.
Slug.
Better turn that shit. Go ahead.
It's making noise because it's on that.
Let me see.
That's what I watch.
Okay, on that. Wow. Yo, for free, I can't complain. You know what I'm saying?
A little physical work, right?
A little, barely physical work. Is that clutch still good?
Yeah, he said it was.
DK. You gotta put down the whole entire thing down here.
Now we're gonna put it all on the floor, no?
Okay, you can do that too, even better.
The turbine?
Whoosh. Are you sure we could clean this?
Huh?
Are you sure we could clean that?
Yeah.
Do you have the theory that we could?
A&S.
You want me to help you bring the box over? Okay. Pero. Come on. Put this separate so I could explain to them what what's going on here. And this is not the exact freaking thing that he was talking about because the exact one doesn't come with that shit green. Give me this so I can put it in here so they can know the bundle that it comes with. So I paid, how much was it? $400 for this whole turbo kit, used but basically new.
That's the month old.
Yeah, the dude supposedly didn't even put it on, but I doubt he did. Look at the freaking exhaust fucking pipe, I guess you could say. That shit's all fucking like
different color.
Yeah, and so is the fucking turbo, the hot side. But I paid $400 for this shit. $400 came with all this shit, but it's for a single cam. See that working? Single cam. All right. Let me show you these things right here. That's a turbo kit.
Yeah.
There you go. Look how much it costs. 800 smackers for a D series. Alright. Boom. I paid $400. After I paid $400, I had to buy myself, get myself a freaking what is that shit called again?
Manifold.
The manifold for the B series. And then this guy's boss, right? Friend?
Business partner.
Well, business partner. He supposedly had this laying around. He gave me this. It's for the B series. And a wastegate, right?
Yeah, wastegate, HKS.
HKS wastegate, my dudes. So now what we gotta do is cut this whole thing off. I think they sell a fucking an adapter. I was looking it up.
That bolts onto that.
Yeah, that bolts onto that.
To that.
Yeah, to that fucking piping. If not, we just cut this off and weld it on the other piping. Boom. That's not going on this one. It's going on my silver one.
And for whoever's gonna talk shit, that's an eBay turbo kit. Another day, all we're really trying to push is like at least like max 8 pounds.
Yeah, max 8 pounds.
You know, it's like a daily driven car.
Yes, sir. And I just want it to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, just for the noises. I don't give a fuck about going 300 fucking miles per hour or whatever the fuck. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at that shit. Let me see.
They ain't call us cheap. That front end of yours ain't cheap.
Yes, sir. That collision.
Real mutant.
Really? Let me see your shit. Get that shit. This didn't come with it. It came with the fucking single jingle. But I'm taking it and putting it on this. Check it out. Let me see his back. Woo! Shit. Stay. The front looks nuevecito. Let me see the. What's it called? The shaft play?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Nothing. I can spin it también.
It's a ball bearing.
Yo, I can't wait.
Hopefully next week, right? By next week.
I can do it tomorrow. Shit. It's that polo bearing, right? Look at this shit. Nah.
Me neither.
Look at this shit.
Me neither.
So that means that engine's going on there. We're gonna put the turbo. It's a wrap, yo. It's a wrap. You think we have everything to just bolt it up and have it ready to go?
Everything.
Seguro.
Seguro. Oh,
that's what we say now. Then when we go do it.
Already. All we need to get is vacuum lines.
So that means, hold up. If you do this tomorrow, that means we're gonna have to use this for now, huh?
Yeah.
Piece of shit. Where's the little boost controller? Oh, it's in here, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Supposedly comes with a boost controller. To be honest, my dude, I think I'm gonna have to buy a better one.
With a T right here. That's good.
I think I'm gonna have to buy a better one because I heard things about this bad boy.
Yeah, but it's just not all.
Yeah, I know.
It comes with mine too.
And this ugly ass mother flower oil catch can, bro. Why blue and with some orange hoses, man? You hear me?
It's eBay special.
So we got everything. We got all the gaskets. Let me see everything. Like I said. And this is for the wastegate, right? So it could,
the spring.
So it could push even more pounds or some shit. How do we know which is which?
We're gonna use that wastegate.
Yeah, but how about if that's pushing too much?
Nah, working. That's why we got the boost controller to fucking fuck with it.
Big man. I downloaded the video so I could show it to the group. But the video for that. I'm gonna show the people here too. Where's it at? Look.
Best mod for a turbo car. Less than $5.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Undo this.
Undo this.
Pull the hose from this side. Take it out. Vacuum cap your blow-off valve. Now vacuum cap your intake part where the line went into, and you're done. And now just enjoy your turkey noises.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, there's no one in here. There's no one in here.
Yes. No, they could.
Who is it? Yo, who invited this gay ass?
Ceiling fell down.
What do you mean ceiling fell down?
Say hi.
Well, this shit, all that shit fell down.
Hey, say hi. Start twerking. Let me see the back. Let me see the back. Bro, all you see is butt crack.
Oh, you see hair.
I saw butt crack. So, we're getting ready to boost the Civic. Right now.
Your Civic?
This one. We're gonna put it on with the rod and I can just blow it out to commission.
Just wait for it to...
Boom. Look how clean that shit is.
Nah.
That's the one that's gonna be yours?
Mine, yeah. But they don't have the... They don't have this. The little...
So you have to buy a deep oil pan then if you want that?
What?
If you want the legit
Did Johnsy do this?
No, I can't do this shit. He bought it like this.
Okay, good, because they did on the top. Usually people do on the bottom like dumbasses. Supposed to put on the top of the oil can. The higher the better. Oh my god.
I don't know what's the point of all of this shit right here.
God.
I don't know.
cheap though.
That starts with an M, something like that. It's like $300.
Moroso, something like that. Moroso. Oh.
We're just gonna use that.
Oh, we could use yours. Like I said, they sell things when you drill a hole.
That's what I'm talking about. I thought this shit brought it. It should be in here.
No, it doesn't.
It has to be in here, bro. That shit comes with it. Why would it?
And if they mounted it, remember?
issue with that, but they should bring it though, like I said. If it doesn't, then I guess we have to just... Yeah, they don't come in shit. Damn, is the whole turbo setup, bro? We'll have it by what? 3 days?
Wow.
Oh,
But it was 30 minutes from now.
Huh?
What?
So I just made this video so you guys can see what we copped for the silver Civic. My boy and I are gonna boost it real soon, mostly him. So I guess just stay tuned if you guys want to see it. We're gonna do it as cheap as possible, and then we're gonna start upgrading some stuff to it, like you see in the HKS fucking blow valve and the Turbonetics wastegate that it came with over here. You see right there. That's the Turbonetics one. Yeah, I just bought it because it was a steal. $400 for basically everything. You can see how it sounds, if it pulls good on the next video that I upload. So yeah.